Exercise 26.3. Write a program that does reservations for a theater with 5 rows of seats and 9 seats per row. The rows are numbered from A to E, back to front, and the seats from 1 to 9 in each row. The user should be presented with a seat plan showing the current bookings from which a number of seats in one row can be booked. For example, columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rows A, B, C, D, E. In which row do you want seats? A. How many seats? 2. Starting at which number? 4. 2 seats reserved in row A. Row A, reserved. Column 4, reserved. Column 5, reserved. In which row do you want seats? A. How many seats? 5. Starting at which number? 5. Problem. A5 is already reserved. In which row do you want seats? Q. Store the data in a 2-dimensional array of characters. Initially, all the elements of the array contain the character hyphen to indicate that the seats are available. When a reservation is made, the program must determine if the requested seats are available, and if they are, it must be reserved. A reservation is made by assigning the character R to the elements in question. If any of the requested seats is already reserved or the requested seats fall outside the seat plan, the entire reservation must be rejected with an appropriate message. The user must enter Q for the row to quit the program.
Now let's look at assignment 3. You will notice in assignment 3 we have a flight booking system. There's 3 rows of seats, another 3 rows of seats, and it goes on to the back of the aeroplane. Let's look at what it has to say. It says the first 4 rows are considered first class and all other rows are economy class. They also give me a diagrammatic representation. The available seats for 7 o'clock are as follows: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Now if we look at exercise 26.3, they have row A, column 1, row A, column 2, row A, column 3, row A, column 4, row A, column 5. This gives me an idea that I should be able to work on exercise 26.3 with the 2-dimensional array so that it could assist me with the flight booking system. It also says, please key in a seat number to choose a seat. If I look at exercise 26.3, it says, in which row do you want seats? Row A. And how many seats do you want? So that gives me an indication that I need to work on assignment 3 looking at exercise 26.3. If that's not proof enough, have a look at the next part. It says, if any seats have already been booked for that time, the booked seats should be indicated and displayed using star and star. Let's look at exercise 26.3. It says, if you reserve a seat, you need to put in a capital R. Look at that. Row A, capital R in column 4. If you're still not sure about what they are talking about, let's look at the next output. It says first class seats and it's got A1 has 2 stars in it. In exercise 26.3, have a look at that. In A1, column 4 and column 5 is an R and an R. So all we need to do is change R and the R into 2 stars. If you're still not sure that we need to use a 2-dimensional array, have a look at the rubric. Now, a rubric gives you an indication of what the lecturer or the examiner is going to mark. Now look at the rubric. It says, going down, going down, going down. Look at the rubric. Let's go down towards the end, and it says, look at the rubric. There we go. 2-dimensional array, 2 marks. 1-dimensional array, 2 marks. So there's a very good hint for you. For assignment 3, flight booking system, you need to look at a 2-dimensional array. And you need to look at exercise 26.3 and the solution that goes with it. By the way, I've done the solution. Right, so let me pretend as if I'm looking at this for the very first time, and that's where I will see. There we go. Let's do a build and run. Let's build and run. Theater reservations, rows A to E and seats 1 through 9. To stop, type Q for the row. Here's my row A, B, C, D, E. My column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In which row do you want seats? I want seats in row A. How many seats do I want? I want 2. 1 for my wife and 1 for me. So I'm going to say 2. Starting at which number? Now I like to sit at the back of the cinema, and I want it in the middle of row A. So let's say 4 and 5. Starting at 4, 2 seats have been reserved. In which row do you want seats? This gives you another hint. In the assignment, in assignment 3, you need to continuously run and loop so that you can request ticket reservations. I'm going to stop at this point. I'm not going to give you the solution. You need to work on it. I hope you like it.